In this video, I'm going to be doing a very pretty tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped in. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support, because you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and click that notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now the title of this collaboration is Hawaiian Luau Tablescape20, and it is hosted by three wonderful YouTube sisters of mine. Kelly at If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, and Candy at DIY Designs by CCW, and Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies' channels, I'll have a link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description. Now, what they asked us to do was to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and I'll have that information listed down below. They also asked for us to just decorate a table for a Hawaiian Luau. Now, they also asked that we use the hashtag, which will run across the screen, hashtag Hawaiian Luau Tablescape20. Now, they told us to have some Hawaiian fun. Now, I'm doing this tablescape a little bit different than I normally do. So I hope you enjoy the way I present this to you. Let me know down below in the comments if you enjoy it this way or the way I've done previously. So I hope you enjoy it. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Alright, here is my Luau tablescape. I'm going to give you an overview, then I'll tell you where every item came from. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Now, as my placemat, I'm using these flowers that I purchased from Dollar Tree last year. I saw them last year, I thought they were cute, so I just grabbed 4 of each. And couldn't figure out what I was going to do with them, but this is perfect for a luau. And then I'm using the wicker charger that was thrifted, the white dessert plate from Dollar Tree, and then I'm using a luau mask. This came from a banner that Dollar Tree has. I took the masks off and used them as just decoration on my centerpiece, on my plates. Then the clear wine goblets, they came from IKEA. And then the umbrella inside, they came from the Dollar Tree. Now, as you know, each match was a different color. This one here is fuchsia with a pink umbrella. The other one is green, or mint green, or lime green with a green umbrella. And the final one is a navy blue with a blue umbrella. Now my centerpiece is using some of the palm leaves that I purchased from Amazon. They came in a package, I think, of 32 different leaves. 32, and it was 3 different leaves, and it was 32 in total. And then the flowers, they also came from Amazon. And I placed them on the wooden leveler from, I think I got that from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. And then I have the clear vases. Those were purchased from the Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, the Dollar Tree. And then I put in some of the miniature floating candles that I have. So I did a simple luau tablescape. I think it came out really pretty. I was kind of back and forth about the mint green flowers, but I think it turned out overall very pretty, very luau-ish. So I hope you enjoyed my tablescape, and you guys be blessed.